So today we're going to we're going to learn how to use a new tool. It may be new, it's probably new to you, but some of you I'm sure have used it. It's called a snipping tool. So what we're going to do is go into the lower left corner and we're going to type in snipping tool, or as you see, as I just did, just SNIP, and there it is. You can either come up here and use your mouse, click it, or hit enter, and this little tiny box shows up. What we're going to focus on right here is doing a new one. So we're going to click where it says new. And I just want to snip a piece of this screen. I'm going to do these 5 icons in the search box above it. So this cross that we're using is a lot like when you're cropping a picture. So I'm going to click here with my mouse and drag. And you can see the background is ghosted and the window that I'm going to snip is now full color. And there it is. Okay, that's as easy as it is. What I'm going to show you to do next is how to save this. And I'm going to save it as a picture. I'm going to go to the desktop just because I'm going to get rid of this when it's done. And I'm going to call it Snip 1. And it saves as a PNG, which is just a good version of saving an image. And hit save. But what I really want to show you is how to take a snip of the whole page or most of the page, because you're going to need that for your quiz. So we're going to do File. Actually, we don't have to do that. We just click here where it says New. And now it knows we're doing a new one. You see that this box is in the way for the whole page. Don't worry, it goes away. I want to grab this tab. I want to include that tab. So I need to get past it. And I click. Do you notice the box go away? And I'm going to get, most of this page, most of it, like that. All right. And I'm going to save this. File, save as. I'm going to go back to the same place, and I'm going to call this snip 2. All right, so that's how you use a snipping tool. Let me show you how it looks when you're done. This is snip 1, and I'm going to open that file, and there's the picture. Exactly what we did. Snip 2 should include everything, including the tab up here, which I wanted to make sure I got. All right, that's how to use the snipping tool. Go ahead. Good luck on your quiz. I hope you do well.